So if you're not sure what I'm doing, stay with me. You're editing a template. So what you can do is set some things up in advance. For example, I know that if I am making a YouTube video, so I've got a little icon here, the status when I first start will be that it's an idea. I know the platform is YouTube, but I can pick from other platforms. The content type, this would be a recorded video, not a live stream. So I can have that already set up to recorded video. And down here, these stay blank. These are the things that I know are going to be applied every time I use this template. Down here, I've just kind of created some structure for this page so that I don't have to set up these headlines every single time. So I know that I'm going to almost always use chapters for my YouTube videos, and I want to have that, and I always start with an introduction, so that's already ready to go. All I have to do is go in here and just add the rest of them. I have this area to start generating ideas. What am I going to call this? I can just brainstorm generally. What's the concept? What do I want to take away, etc. So there are all sorts of things that you can do, but you can also prompt in other ways. So if we go back to this, let's go back to the view of the database. I haven't, full disclosure, this was just me brainstorming and generating ideas of a different type of video. And if we take a look, this is the templates that I have. So I have a lot of different templates here in my content database. And let's take a look at this template, which is a totally different approach. So if I open this one, I've got, let's make this bigger. I have some other questions like, what's the angle? What would someone walk away at the end of this video? What's the best version of this video? What do I wish I had when I was trying to learn this concept? What resources are going to support this? And what alternative solutions exist? Why did I choose this way? So this is technically something that I set up and I haven't actually used, but being able to just brainstorm and generate what is going to help me make the best version of my content. And this is where its Notion is so powerful, is because it's not one size fits all. It is something where it really depends on you, the type of content you make, the type of workflow that suits you. And depending on the type of content, it's going to change. Let's take a look at another example of a live stream. A lot of you who answered the poll said that you make a live stream. So if we look at the top here, I've got the title of the template, and you can see you are editing a template in the content creation database. In this case, it's still YouTube, but it's a live stream.